One major concern for customers interacting with the AI chatbot is figuring out if the answer provided by the bot can be trusted, or is it accurate. Let's take it through an example. Let's ask the bot, what is the weight of AirPod Max? The AI bot has given the answer, but as a user, I'm not sure if the answer given by the bot can be trusted, or if it's accurate. To help customers with this issue, Communicate has launched the Answer Source feature. All you have to do is go back into the Website Scraper tab of the Bot Builder section and toggle the button on for Answer Source. Now, you can tell your users from where the bot is picking its answer from. Let's ask the same question again to the bot. What is the weight of AirPod Max? You can see the answer is the same, but the bot has given the source from where it picked it up from. It has picked the information from Apple's website, where if we go back and to confirm if it's the accurate or correct answer, let's check the tech spec section. Over here, you can see the weight is 13.6 ounces, and which the bot has given the accurate answer to. That concludes our video. Sign up for free using the link in the description and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.